Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I am playing with the Bareminerals Floral Utopia Collection. This is a set I got off QVC. All 4 items do come together, and I believe it's the only place the eyeshadow palette is still in stock, so I'm reviewing this as a set. And I have tried this a couple of times, so this is like a third impressions, but not super like well tested for weeks and weeks thorough review. Let's just get into it. So I've already done most of my face with Bareminerals products, and the base is Complexion Rescue, concealer is Stroke of Light and Bare Pro, bronzer is the Faux Tan bronzer I just reviewed last week, and the brows are the Brow Master pencil. I pretty much have everything for a full face of Bareminerals. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. But right now, let's focus on these 4 products. So this set from QVC retails for $65 for all 4 items, which price-wise per item is actually a pretty good deal, and a lot of times QVC does have specials. I think I got a couple dollars off my order when I ordered, so I don't remember paying $65, but I can't find the email. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble. But it comes with the Gen Nude Floral Utopia eyeshadow palette, and this is pretty much the same as the 6-pan Gen Nude palettes they have, except the names are only on the back and not on the front, and it does have a nice mirror, and it has 3 mattes and 3 shimmer shades. These 2 are mattes, this is a matte, and these are shimmers, and it's a really pretty pinky purpley toned palette. Now, full price on Bareminerals website, it does run $30, so this covers like half of the QVC bundle deal. It is limited edition and out of stock on Bareminerals website, but it is in stock on QVC's website with the bundle. I'm just gonna start with the eyes. That's why I started talking about the palette. I've used these palettes in the past. I've reviewed 2 of them, and I like the formula. I just don't always like the colors that they pair together. So I've never seen anything wrong with this formula, and this is the same formula. I think I'm gonna like it, and so far with my past 2 tests I did like it. I'm going into Petal Away right here and putting that in my transition area. It's a really soft peachy color, and it blends really nicely. It's a really nice soft peachy color, and it blends really nicely, but I would say if you have like a darker skin tone, this is going to be more of like a highlight shade on you versus a transition shade, because it barely shows up on my fair light skin tone. Now that we've got that transition laid down, I am going to go into this super deep color, Dark Dahlia, right here. And it does have a lot of powder kickback, if you can see that. And I'm just putting that on the outer corner. That's nice and pigmented. Now I'm going to take my fluffy brush with no additional product and blend that into the transition. That is blending out really nicely, really softening up the color a lot. I like when you can do that, when it's not like super intense and unworkable, because a lot of people don't know how to work with super intense color, and it can be quite difficult to blend and get it to look the way you want it when it's too intense. And I'm just adding a bit more into the crease, whatever was left on the brush, and blending it out again. I should have been using my Bareminerals brushes this whole time. I have like 3 Bareminerals eye brushes I could have been using, but now I'm using the Bareminerals Detail Shader, and I want to go in with this soft purpley tone because I don't remember using it before, and just put that all over the lid. And I'm going to take a detail brush and that Dark Dahlia again. Oh, and that purple shade was called Bloom Bloom Bloom, but I think it's called Bloom Bloom Bloom. Yeah, these names I think are opposite. I could be wrong. And oh, there's quite a bit of fallout. Do you see that fallout? I see that fallout. I'll dust it away. But I'm just adding just a tiny bit more deepness to that outer corner a little more focused and precise, and then whatever's left over, buff it inwards, dust away the fallout. Then I'm just going to take the Bare Pro concealer and just clean up the edge a little bit. That's pretty much the upper lash line, so I'm going to take the Bareminerals Lasting Line and Lasting Brown on my waterline. Then I'm taking Dark Dahlia on a definer brush and putting that right up against the waterline and just sticking on the outer half of the eye. And then I'm taking Bloom 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 on a pencil brush and just putting that on the inner corner and smudging it all the way into that Dark Dahlia. I want this to be like a really purpley look. Even though we started with like a peachy transition, it became really purpley. I didn't even plan this. This just happened. Then I am taking In a Lily Bit, this creamy color, and popping that on the brow bone. So now that I've done about 3 looks with this palette and used all of the colors, sorry, blind you with the mirror, I think it is just as good as the other Gen Nude palettes, and this one has a nice ratio of mattes and shimmers and lights and deeps, etc. So I recommend this palette if you can find it in a local boutique, or if you want to get it in the QVC bundle. I think it's a great spring palette and the quality is definitely there. Next we have the Floral Utopia Gen Nude Blush. This retails on Bareminerals website for $25 and it is a full-size Gen Nude blush. This is one of my favorite formulas of all time. I have like 5 of these, which is a lot considering I maybe have like 13 blushes. So it makes up like half of my blush collection pretty much. And this is in the shade Lover's Rose. Did I already say that? I'm feeling flustered today. Today is another flustered day. And it is a nice like pink color and it looks to be matte. Has that same velvety feel that the Gen Nudes do. That's what it looks like swatched. And Gen Nude blushes are really long wear and really pigmented, so I tap in lightly and tap it off so it's not too intense. And I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks, bring it up. See, look how pink that already is when I barely tapped in and I tapped off. In comparison, so pink, but it's a pretty flush color. Like, I really like this color. This is a great spring color. And it's blending and looking just as good as any Gen Nudes. This one, instead of having like a straight matte finish, I feel like it has kind of a satin finish. But it could just be my super glowy skin from Complexion Rescue peeking through. And these are still in stock on the Bareminerals website, but I didn't find this particular shade anywhere but in the QVC kit, so I think it's exclusive to the kit, but they do have multiple shades in this special packaging. Oh, I should put on mascara to make my eyes look complete. I'm just putting on my mini Lash Domination. It's my favorite Bareminerals mascara. I do like their Lashtopia. It does nice wispy lashes, but this I feel gives me more volume. See, it's like a natural amount of volume. If you look between this eye and this eye, it looks like really natural but still voluminous and a little bit lengthened as well. And then we are testing the Floral Utopia highlighter stick. I have the shade Orange Blossom. That's what comes in the collection. It looks like this. To me, it looks more like, for my skin tone, like a glowy blush stick or a blush topper, but it's really pretty. And the packaging and the formula and everything really remind me of the crystalline glow sticks. This is Prismatic Pearl. So if you like the crystalline glow sticks, the Floral Utopia highlighter sticks are pretty much the same thing, just different packaging. These retail for $22 on Bareminerals website and are currently still available. How I like to apply these, and I know a lot of people don't like to do this, but I like to draw them directly on my skin. But as you can see, that is quite dark for my skin tone, but whatevs. I gotta demo it. And I take either a sponge or a dense round brush and blend it out. If I have powder on my face, I use the brush because I don't want to put a damp sponge on top of powder. But if I don't have powder on my face, then I just pounce it in with the sponge. And as you can see, that kind of like melts into my blush. It almost looks like I put blush really high because it's such a like darker pink tone, but it's a really beautiful glow. But it looks like a dark stripe from the front. So that's it, all blended out on my cheekbones. I think I prefer this, using this either as a blush topper or just a glowy blush stick. For my skin tone, it is just a bit too dark on top of the cheekbones, but it is really nice. I love the formula of these. It's the same as the Crystalline Glow. Oh no, I just sneezed and got mascara everywhere. I hate when that happens. The last item is the Floral Utopia Gen Nude Patent Lip Lacquer. Now, this is supposed to be the same formula as their Gen Nude Patent Lip Lacquers and just the Floral Utopia packaging with pretty colors. It does retail for $20 and it is still available in 3 shades on Bareminerals website. The shade I have is My Sweet Peony. I personally don't love lip lacquers. I've said before that I am not a fan of how heavy they are. I like a light gloss better, but playing with this one the last couple times I've worn it, it's starting to grow on me, and it's like a really flattering pink. I don't love pink lips, but I think this actually looks really nice on me. So let me just shut up and put it on. And the Gen Nude products smell amazing too. The lip products, not the face products. Those are unscented. So this is what My Sweet Peony looks like. As you can see, it's a pink that doesn't really make my teeth too yellow, and that's why I tend to not like pinks, because they like bring out the coffee stains in my teeth basically. And I feel like, especially on camera, like this is really flattering with my teeth. I don't smile and look super yellow. So I love the shade, and it's still like the thicker, stickier formula, but I feel like it's a little lighter than it, and a little thinner than it was the last time I tried it. Like if you look, it's a little bit sheer, and you can see the pigment of my lips coming through a little bit, and I like that a lot. I wouldn't be wearing this on a daily basis because it's so like sticky that at my job dog hair would get stuck to it and it would just be disgusting. Yet another reason I don't like sticky stuff. But it is more comfortable than I remember it being, and it looks really pretty. So I do recommend, if you like lip lacquers, to try this formula out. So this is the final look with the Floral Utopia collection, and I do think it is worth the $65 price from QVC with the individual price tag of every item. We went over like this is $30, like this is $20, this is $22, this is $25, like $65 is saving money, and I do like all the products. I think they're up to standard Bareminerals quality. The only product I could do without would be the lip lacquer, but even so, like I said, it's nicer than I remember the formula being, so I would definitely recommend checking it out. Let me know in the comments down below whether you want that full face of Bareminerals anytime soon, because I will put that on my schedule for you, or whether you thought the Floral Utopia collection was worth it after seeing it demonstrated on my face. And also, if there's anything else that you want me to review, let me know, because I do monthly hauls and let you know what I picked up recently, and I also recently did a palette collection and let you know what I picked up recently as far as palettes. So if you want any of those reviewed, let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you have not already. I will see you guys next time. Bye.